Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to get the backflip pose in dress to impress on Roblox. Alright, so let's begin with the video. I will walk you through it step by step. So here is the deal. The backflip pose was part of the birthday update on October. So if you played the game during that event, you could unlock the pose by clicking on the poses menu. It's under the solo category, along with the split pose. But if you missed it, don't worry. You are not out of luck. You just need to wait for the next birthday update for Dress to Impress. That's likely happened again on October during the event. The backflip and split poses should be available again for everyone. When the event comes around, you need to hop into the game and check for the poses menu, and you need to grab the backflip pose. It's that easy. So you need to mark your calendars for the next month, and you can get ready to show off that backflip poses. So that's basically how you can get the backflip pose in dress to impress on Roblox. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.